Nicked conductors are not hard to find while repairing determinations. It happens when the cable stripping tool slices through the cable jacket and the insulation of the wires on the inside of the cable. The only way to avoid it is to readjust the stripping tool and start over. It is always recommended to inspect each wire after stripping the cable jacket before going to the next step. It's gonna save you tons of time as nicked conductors are extremely difficult to track them down.